Another huge win for the LGBTQ community, and namely trans youth, as an appeals court sides with families and against discrimination as it upholds the ban on House Bill 71 in the state, which set to ban gender-affirming medical care for people under the age of 18. Now, we've done a video at length discussing what this looks like for the various ages under 18, so we aren't going to dive too deep into that aspect, but the important thing to know are nobody is getting bottom surgery under the age of 18. All treatments are reversible. All studies point to favorable mental health outcomes to those who receive this care, and not a single major medical organization from the AMA down the list agree with these sorts of bans. Also, puberty blockers and hormone therapies would be for teens and mostly like over the age of 15. For young children, it's just validation and therapy. They're not going to be taking these sorts of things. So if you want the full breakdown, go check out my earlier video. But the aforementioned House Bill 71 includes a ban of medical care for transgender youth, including restricting puberty blockers or hormone therapy, and would criminalize medical providers for 10 years for seeking fundamental and sometimes life-saving care for these youth clients. This was sponsored by Bruce Skaug and Lori Hartog. Not so sorry for any mispronunciations, both of which are Republicans, and it quickly led to a lawsuit from families whose children were receiving this care in the state, in which a judge ruled, due to the 14th Amendment, everyone is guaranteed equal protection and blocked this ruling, which really shows the beauty of a law that was created to provide equal protections for former slaves, help protect women in the 20th century, same-sex couples, and now the transgender community in the 21st century. And now, as of just a few days ago, as I said, an appeals court has refused to stay this motion while it's all being settled, effectively killing the bill and signaling a huge win for the anti-discrimination community, the LGBTQ community, and transgender youth and their families, most importantly, especially when across the country these kinds of battles have been met with mixed results. A Georgia-based court upheld an Alabama ban, as well as bans in Kentucky and Tennessee being upheld, and while an Arkansas ban was blocked, the issue is expected to come up again very soon and possibly be overturned. So with the rise of anti-trans bills and rhetoric in the US, it's more important than ever to not only fight back and push back against all this negativity, misinformation, and blatant transphobia, but to highlight the wins as well as they come in, to remind people what they're fighting for and to show that it's not all for nothing. The families of these children and these children greatly appreciate it and in many times need this care. Progress is being made. Don't ever forget that. It's just sometimes hard to tell until you look back. If you enjoyed this video, we're Social Society. We're a commentary channel influenced by politics, society, and the economy. We are pretty left-leaning on this channel, but we're open to our right-wingers as well. The biggest thing here is having conversations that get everyone to the bottom of the truth. If that sounds like something that could interest you, consider smashing that subscribe button, leaving us a comment, or even liking this video. We even have memberships available as low as $3 if you'd like to support, because the only way we become a society is together.